Indiana is a landlord-friendly state with a reasonably efficient eviction process. But there's one aspect of Indiana law that catches landlords off guard, and it has to do with lease violations. Here's what Indiana law requires. For non-payment of rent, Indiana requires a 10-day notice to pay or quit. Your tenant has 10 days to pay everything owed or vacate. If they pay in full within that window, the eviction stops. If they don't, you file in small claims court or circuit court, depending on the amount owed. For month-to-month terminations, 30 days written notice is required. Standard and no-cause terminations are allowed. For serious violations, drug activity, criminal conduct affecting health or safety, or significant property damage, Indiana allows immediate termination. Now here's the part that surprises Indiana landlords. For standard lease violations, unauthorized pets, noise, unauthorized occupants, Indiana state law does not specify a required notice period. The notice period is determined entirely by what your lease says. If your lease is silent on violation notices, best practice is to provide at least 30 days to cure before proceeding, which means if your lease isn't drafted carefully, you may have less leverage than you think. That's exactly why having a solid, well-drafted lease from the start matters in Indiana, and why the free Indiana lease agreement on our site is worth downloading before your next tenant moves in. On security deposits, Indiana has no statutory maximum and requires return within 45 days of move-out. Free fillable Indiana notice forms are on this page. The best eviction is the one you never have to file. Screen your applicants first at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.